Hi friends, I'm Irfana Munir. Welcome to my channel CrafTym. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, today what I'm going to do is my man, he wants this Batman logo on his t-shirt. And friends, how is my Photoshop? Please share your comments. I already drew a Batman logo on a paper. Now I will make an outline using this on the t-shirt. But the thing is, I don't have the fabric paint, so let's use acrylic paint. Now, as a final touch, let's draw the outline using a permanent marker. That's it friends, we finished. Keep watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.